We have just arrived at the Hilton Hotel in Reading. Now normally we wouldn't stay in 4-star upscale hotels like this one on the regular, because normally the most important thing to us is cost. However, this was just about £35 more than a Premier Inn just down the road from here for the night. So we thought, let's give it a go, let's treat ourselves and see if it's worth paying that extra 35 quid for a little bit of luxury. Let's go and have a look. Looking forward to a little bit of luxury for the night?
Of course I am.
What do you think our chances are of seeing Paris Hilton in the lobby of the Reading Hotel? Do you reckon she comes here very often?
0.
Probably accurate. Well, you don't get a lobby like this at a Premier Inn, do you? Look at the size of that chandelier.
I kind of want to swing on it.
You can't swing on it, you're not seer.
But I'm scared of heights, so
yeah, not a good idea.
Let's carry on to the room. It's got a really nice smell.
If anyone's wondering why he's dancing, they pump music into the corridors. We're assuming that stops at a certain time of night. Oh dear. 106. Anyway, don't go past our room, will you? Party on the way to the room. Love it. Oh, hang on. I've got the key, ain't I?
Give me the key.
There we go, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome, madam.
Come on in.
I was letting you go. Okay, so if you're wondering what's just happened, it's a little while later because they've got a health club here, so we've just been induced the sauna and steam room because it shuts at 8:30 and we didn't want to miss the opportunity, so we've just been down there for a cheeky little sauna and steam room, just ordered some food, and now we're going to check out our room because we didn't really see it when we got up here because we slung our bags down and run off, so let's have a look around. Okay, the first thing you can't help but notice is this huge bed. It is a full king bed. Oh my god, I think we're going to get lost in that bad boy tonight.
Oh, I'm going to go swimming.
Gonna go swim. Oh my word. Oh, surprised you haven't done yourself an injury at your age.
Oh my god. Oh, did you see that?
You've disappeared into it.
Disappeared into that bad boy.
Oh wow. Well, hopefully it's going to be nice and comfy. So we're going to get a good night's sleep in there. This lamp to the side, we've already figured out, doesn't actually work. It's yeah, that's it. It did flicker when we first tried to turn it. Oh, there we go.
It's a bit of a disco.
Do you know, if you come in here and that was on and it was doing that, that'd be really creepy.
Especially if it was a haunted hotel.
Oh,
but it's not.
Well, as far as we know. Speaking of haunted hotels though, is it just me or does it look like somebody's sitting in that seat?
No, that's because I just sat on it.
Oh.
I literally just sat on
that is why there's a bum print in the chair. It's you and your big booty.
I was going to sing, but I think it's not wise. Anyway, room tour.
We actually have a view out to the front of the hotel. Oh, I wonder if that's our food just rocked up in that car.
I hope so.
We are starving. We are getting hangry. You know, that workout in the steam room was, you know,
do you know,
a lot.
There was a lot of people in the gym and and I was like, yep.
Steam room.
Steam room.
You can always tell when you're in a bit of a bougier hotel. Look at this. Ice bucket. Oh! It's even got little tongs.
Ah, that's cute. What are we going to use the ice for?
We're getting drinks with our food, so on the way to the food we could take the ice bucket with us, get some ice on the way back and put ice in our drinks.
We could.
We could.
I never understand that because we also have a fridge.
We do. What do you mean you don't understand that?
Why don't you just put it in the fridge?
Well yeah, but that takes time, doesn't it? If your drink arrives warm and you want to drink it, you need the ice.
But it's gonna... Never mind. Never mind.
What are you thinking? It's going to melt?
No.
Because that's why you have this little bag thingy.
I'm just thinking you may as well just put the champers in the fridge.
Champers? We're having Coke Zero. Who do you think we are?
I don't know.
Look, we might be in a 4-star upscale hotel, but we're not going that upscale. Probably costs more than a bloody room.
Be about 20 quid a bottle.
And the rest?
200 quid a bottle.
Something we do have in the fridge, though, according to this, is complimentary bottled water. This is bougie, isn't it? I always thought these were just coasters, but I think it's to keep the dust out. Have we got water in the fridge? The moment of truth. Big reveal.
I'd rather chocolate. Oh, we do?
Oh, we do. Why do they do this? Why do they always give you one bottle of still and one bottle of sparkling? Why can't you have one bottle of each? Like,
Who drinks sparkling? I know one person that drinks sparkling out of all of my friends.
Vile. I don't know how people drink it. It's disgusting.
Oh, you sounded so posh. It's disgusting.
I'm in an upscale Hilton Hotel. Thank you very much.
That's a very skinny TV. Like that is. Look how thin that is. What are you doing?
Playing on the desk chair. It's very low. I was a bit worried actually. I was going to start spinning round and it was kind of like boom.
You haven't said 2 chairs.
We have got 2 chairs.
He has this thing. There's never 2 chairs in a hotel every time we stay in one.
Really bugs me when you have a room for 2 people and you have a big bed and you've got 1 chair to sit in. I mean, what is that all about?
Lately, the last 3 hotels we've been in, there has been 2.
We've all had 2 chairs, yeah.
They're obviously
that is
listening
true.
to you.
I mean, I wouldn't say this is necessarily a chair you could sort of lounge in like that one though.
Mind you, that one's quite
more of a
editing,
chair.
working.
Hello.
Oh, she said if you press 0, she'll get whatever you want.
I don't think she quite meant that.
That's what she said.
I'll
Anything
take
you want, press 0.
a bottle of champagne and some caviar blinis.
This is when she answers and goes, oh, hello.
Oh. Tone changed.
Right, the bathroom. I always have to look down in case there's a step because I always tend to slip over. That is a big mirror.
I wonder if it's heated. I can't see a thing.
Oh, it is.
Is it? Oh, the whole thing? Oh, yeah.
That is heated.
Is it actually heated or do you think it's just the lights? No, because that's cold.
That's really hot.
Oh, bougie. The whole thing? Oh, no, it's not. It's just the middle bit.
Nice, nice. I need to compliment this. This stuff smells amazing. I can't describe what it smells like though.
I don't know. I use it as well. It doesn't actually say, does it?
No, it doesn't. But
Crabtree and Evelyn, though, that's bougie shit, isn't it? That's expensive stuff.
we didn't bring any pots to fill it up.
Damn it! Take the ice bucket with us.
Good point. Good point.
The cute little flannels hiding in the corner. Anyway, you've got an obsession with towels. Towel test.
I haven't done this in a while.
You haven't done a towel test in a while.
They are crispy.
He's a towel connoisseur.
It's a good exfoliating towel. That's what I always like.
So he's happy.
10 out of 10.
I'll tell you something I don't like though.
What?
These things. Why? I know it's an anti-slip thing, but they're just gross. Actually, this one isn't too bad.
I feel like they hold a lot of bacteria.
Oh!
Trying to think of that scary noise now, that sound.
That is a curly one.
That's a curly one. Put that back.
Not be using that.
Not use that.
No. I just think for a 4-star hotel, can we not do better than that? They're gross, aren't they? Is it just me? Comment down below if you think they're gross.
They're gross.
They are gross.
Oh, it's not good.
Good job you got your bougie boxes on, Jack Wheels.
Jack Wheels. I do like a bit of Jack
They're
Wheels.
clean.
Of course they're clean.
Shower's a little underwhelming, isn't it?
It is, it's not very exciting. What I really like, I really want a rainfall. You know, like in a spa when you're...
I mean, to be fair, there's a health club downstairs, so you can go and have a sauna or steam room or something.
Fair point. We've got 3 here.
I know, what are they?
Champers.
Champers.
Shampoo. Let's call it shampoo. There's a phone in here. You could
call somebody while you're having a poo.
Have a poo and order food. Now that is amazing.
Luckily, we've already ordered.
Also, I used to have that phone.
That exact one.
Well, no, it was kind of like that. It was the same colour.
I think everyone used to have phones like that on their walls.
I think I was about 3.
Yeah.
I was about 3.
That has got to be the weirdest flush button I've ever seen. It looks like you're going to touch it and then like get into some sort of warp into a different dimension. Very weird. It's very echoey in here.
It's very okay. We've spent quite a lot of time in this bathroom.
We have spent a lot of time in here.
Yeah.
What's in the magic cupboard? Ooh, it's a safe. Nobody left any coins in there, have they? Hairdryer in a bag. What's on this side? Oh my god. Actual real coat hangers.
Do you know, I will say, I did see some people, they had slippers and a robe. We haven't got slippers or a robe.
Damn it, what? Do you know what else I saw other people say they had?
What?
A coffee pod machine.
I'm pretty sure we haven't. I'll be shocked if we do. It's not going to be in the drawer, is it?
Oh, here's the coffee. Here's the coffee. Oh, what?
It's a kettle.
Kettle? You have got to be kidding me. 4-star hotel and I've got Nescafe original dirt.
Absolutely not.
Oh.
We've stayed in travel lodges that have coffee machines.
We have, and Premier Inns. Got Yorkshire tea, if that's your thing. Shortbread though, you'll be happy about that, Josh. I don't like it, so you've got 2.
I'll take that.
I was expecting a coffee pod machine. Oh well, never mind.
What a letdown.
It is a letdown.
You have such a grand entrance of the building. It's very beautiful. And then you
Ice
come up
machine,
here,
fridge,
and then you come
free
here,
water, Nescafe
kettle.
bloody original
and a kettle.
that somebody's probably boiled their pants in.
Oh, I've heard that's a thing.
Luckily, we have breakfast included in the morning, so we'll get unlimited coffee down there. Hopefully it's not Nescafe original, because that'd be really disappointing. Another important thing, is there any charging by the bed?
There is USB points this side.
Is there?
Yeah, that'll be my side.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's random. There's 3 USB points on one side of the bed.
I don't understand
How
why.
strange.
Why one side? and
Yeah,
not the
why
other?
not the other side?
There's
There's
only
none
one.
there at all.
Yeah, that makes no sense.
What else is quite weird as well though, I've seen some sockets somewhere else. Rather than in the wall, they're like on top of the thing. What's that? Is that a shaver? It's a weird place to have a shaving point, isn't it?
I'm going to be shaving out here. Very odd.
Someone's happy boy.
I'm so hungry.
The Wendy's has arrived.
Wendy's!
We'll see you in a bit because we are starving.
Be right back.
Another glorious morning. It makes me sick.
Wow.
Well, how did you sleep?
I slept all right until I woke up and needed a toilet, and then I was awake.
TMI.
I found oh my God, get your words out, Josh. The alarm clock, obviously it's like an LED light, that was lighting up the whole room. Most people probably won't bother.
I've got to say as well though, the bed was comfortable, but the mattress is really firm,
Very
and I'm
firm.
just not used to it.
Yeah.
And also, the sound of a king bed sounds nice, but it was really big.
I know, I woke up and you was a mile away. I was like, hello, hello.
Morning, you!
Can you hear me?
Let's talk about breakfast though, because that's where we've just been, and that is where
Got
you...
coffee dribble on my... Sorry, carry on.
Now that is where you can really tell when you're in a classier hotel, because not only is the selection much bigger, but the quality of the food is
The sausages were
nice,
bougie
meaty,
sausages.
creamy scrambled egg. The hash browns were amazing. Oh,
Nothing was dry.
and the coffee was good. The coffee was good. That is the most important thing on any breakfast.
We've even brought some away, and we brought a muffin back as well.
I love it when you can bring a takeaway coffee up to the room, and yeah, we did sneak a cheeky blueberry muffin, but
was
hey,
that?
we've paid for it, it's fine.
All you can eat.
I think this has become our new favourite thing, is experiencing breakfast at different hotels.
Yeah.
And I love sitting there as you're eating and having a coffee and looking around and looking at other people and thinking,
What are you doing?
Wonder why you're staying in this hotel. Why are you in Reading tonight?
I mean, in fairness, a lot of them looked well dressed. So
yeah.
there's us like, rolling.
There's me with my just got out the steam room look.
Yeah, this is my just got out the steam room hair. It's gone a bit.
Anyway, we need to get ourselves ready. Come on.
Need a shower.
Yeah, you do. Whew. This is another great feature of this hotel. Secure underground parking, free of charge.
Free of charge, and also if it's a really wet, rainy day, you won't get wet.
Yeah, you don't have to go outside, I think is what you were
You
trying to
won't
say.
get wet going to the car, which is a plus, especially if you've just done your hair like I have.
Fun fact though, we actually looked at staying at a Crown Plaza just down the road, and parking there was £15 a night.
Well, I'm glad we didn't make that mistake.
Road snacks.
Road snacks.
Anyway, it's time for us to leave the Hilton in Reading now. Do we think it was worth the extra £35 compared to the Premier Inn down the road? I would say definitely yes.
Yes.
Room's a lot nicer, you get more amenities like the free water and that sort of stuff is a nice touch.
Oh.
Use of the health club.
I love the health
We've
club.
been in that sauna and steam room this morning as well, so that's a nice touch. The pool's nice.
Every time we book a hotel, I always say to them, can it please have
It's
a health club?
worth a little bit extra, isn't it? And the
Yeah.
breakfast, oh my God, that breakfast was amazing.
Definitely very fresh.
A little bit disappointed we didn't go down to the bar last night and have a drink, because the bar area looks like a really nice place to chill.
agree, I
But
agree.
yeah, and the free parking, you don't get that at a lot of hotels nowadays, so we'd definitely come and stay here again. If you want to see a 4-star upscale hotel that didn't quite live up to our expectations, then click the video over Josh's face now and join us at the Novotel in Bristol for a significantly more underwhelming 4-star experience. We'll see you over there. We're going to eat our muffins.
Bye.